In this tab, you can manage the information of the vehicles that are used by the company. You have two subdivisions, vehicles and trailers. In the vehicles section, you have information such as vehicle's name, unit number, which is a unique number of the company to identify the vehicle, name, plate number, make, and model. Each record has a specific maintenance. Delete, which you can only delete if you don't have a load record. Documents, where you can upload documentation of the vehicle. Edit, and verify if the information of the vehicle is included in the load it can manage. The New button allows you to register a new vehicle in the app. Once you click, you have the following fields: unit number, vehicle plate number, VIN number, register owner, the lien holder, make, model, vehicle year, the odometer, and vehicle description. And you can proceed to click on Save. When you click on the Loads button, you can see all the assigned loads to a vehicle with its number, driver's name, pickup, and delivery date. Also, you can see the status on the loads: completed, in course, and active. With the Edit button, you can edit the fields of the vehicle: unit number, vehicle plate number, VIN number, register owner, lien holder, make, model, vehicle year, odometer, the unit, and the vehicle description. You can click on Save to proceed. When you click on the Documents button, you can upload information in several formats: PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PNG, JPG to the vehicle. You need to fill a title and a description. Select the file and click on Save. A window pops out once the file is uploaded, where you can preview or edit. In the Preview button, you can download the file, and the other you can delete the document. There is also a search functionality for this model, where you can enter either of the fields included at the moment of the creation. As you can see, it filters by matches within the vehicle's model. On the other hand, in the trailer section, you can find information of the trailer's number, which is the unique number of the company to identify the trailer, trailer's name, type, and property. Each record has a specific maintenance. Delete, which you can delete only if it doesn't have a load record. Documents, where you can upload documentation of the trailer. Edit, and verify if the information of the trailer is included in the loads that can be managed. In the Edit button, you can edit the fields of information of the trailers, such as load trailer VIN, trailer number, trailer name, type, property, and trailer description. You can also find a special selector that allows you to change the status of the trailers. You can proceed to click on Save. When you click on the Documents button, you can upload the information in different formats: PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PNG, JPG of the trailer. You can put a title and description. You can proceed to click on Save. This window will pop out once the file is uploaded, where there are two actions: Preview and Delete. In the preview, you can download the file, and the other button, delete the file. There is also a search functionality for this module, in which you can enter any of the fields that are included at the time of creation. As shown, it filters by matches within the trailer's model.